and the ability to swim, if need be. In spite of very rough going in the back blocks, 70 cars out of 186 starters completed the Round Australia reliability trial. At many points on this 6,500-mile event, the trial was almost like an obstacle race. It was certainly a stiff test for the cars and the stamina of the drivers. The route took them from Sydney to Brisbane and Darwin, then back by way of Adelaide and Melbourne to Sydney. The result was surprisingly close after such a grueling contest. For the winner, Mr. Ken Tubman secured a one-point victory, subject to confirmation after a final check.